Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Shiba token. What's the price change goes in the Shibano and what's the price change occur at this time, what's the price changes occur. So keep watch this video for more details and keep watch this video if you are a holder of Shiba Inu, and if you want this kind of more news and updates, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video friends. Let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the price of the Shibano. At this time 0.000027 USD dollar is the current price of Shiba. And if you look the price change occurred in the Shiba, as you can see here, at this time the last 1 hour price change is negative, the last 1 day price change is also negative. Only the last 1 week change as 1500 positive change occur in the last 1 week friends. Let's see the price chart for more details. What's going at this time in a Shiba token. As you can see here, at this time the Shiba token as continuously renewal fast occur in the Shiba token. At this time fast occur, and at this time also fast occur friends. So now I think at this time the Shiba token gone wrong friends. As you can see here, at this time after this fast the Shiba token have to take a high jump. After this fast the Shiba token have to take a high jump. But now if you look the current condition of the Shiba token, so as you can see here, after this fast the Shiba token take a very small jump. So that's mean that if you look the average level change, so after this jump they again starting falling down friends. So they take a small jump, and after a small jump they take a very bad fast friends. So that's absolutely bad news for all the Shiba token holders. I think that now this time the Shiba token falling period start now, and this period as continue for the next 1 day friends. And after a next 1 day I hope that they again start jumping, and that will make you they will give you good amount of profit in the future friends. But friends, if you look the last 20 price change occur in the Shiba token, so the last 1 day change is negative 13.84%, and the high price of the Shiba is 0.000034 USD dollar is the currently highest price of Shiba token and the last 1 day friends. So what's your prediction about Shiba token? My prediction at this time is that they fast down for the next 1 day, and after next 1 day maybe they can start jumping in the future friends. So what's your prediction? Tell me in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.